Functional programming is all about higher order functions. Higher order functions are functions that can be used and treated as if they are a value, just like we do with variables. So here you can see I have a function and I declared it as a field of this class here, and I assigned it with a null value. So this is just a function that for now doesn't exist. And I have two methods over here. And this set method, it takes a function and it sets it to this this field over here. So we can assign a function to this variable and store it in this class. And with this getter over here, we can return that function. We can retrieve it from this class. So the return type of this method is a function. And over here, you can see how this looks like in action. I have this declaration here of the class we just saw below. I can set the function with the expression I pass here. So here I say I have a function that takes a string and returns the string. It concatenates hello in front of the argument we pass to that function. And over here I call the class we have down below and I get that function and I put the function I get back in a function that we store over here, and I can apply a value to the function we got from the class, store the result as a string in a variable and print it out. Let's test it out. Here we see hello world. Again, I can change world for my name with my name. Call it again, and you see a change over here. Since this is a dojo, there are katas. Links to the katas on my GitHub. You will find them down below in the comments. Have fun.